Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be an unboxing of the Cultivate What Matters planner and accessories that I got in the mail recently. So as you may know from my last video, I recently got back into bullet journaling. So this is the bullet journal that I have been using for the end of March, beginning of April. And to accompany this, I'm going to have a goals planner, which will be this Cultivate What Matters goal planner. And then I might switch it up again. I have another planner on the way that I want to test out, but we are going to unbox these goodies that I got and take a look. So I got the planner in the pink color, which I'll take out of the bubble wrap in a second. I got the color coding marker set, and it's supposed to help with the system that they have laid out in the planner, so we will see how that goes. And then I got, of course, a sticker book, the goal setting sticker book. So the first thing we are going to do is take a look at this planner. This is quite interesting. It comes in bubble wrap, but then it also comes in another plastic. They really wanted this to be protected. Okay, so let's put this here. And this is so pretty. I have been waiting to open this, and this is more beautiful than I thought it would be. This pink color, on camera, it looks more like a bubblegum pink, but in person, it's more of a more sophisticated pink color. I hope it comes through on the camera well. And so let's open it up. So this is the, which one did I get? The undated. Yeah, I think this is the undated one. Yeah. It is for this, for 6 months, a refresh for 6 months. So they come with these in the back, okay. And it comes with your guide to getting the most out of your Powersheets in 2021. So it looks like we have prep work, then we set our yearly goals and fill out the action plan pages, then we fill out the tending list. And just has more information about Powersheets and how to use them. So I'm going to keep this. I'm actually going to look through it once I'm done unboxing. So we have this page, fresh start, this cultivated year belongs to, and space to put your name. Then we have a page of planner stickers. This is interesting. Okay. What do you want to cultivate in the year ahead? This is for 2021 goal ideas. Comparison isn't just the thief of joy, it's the thief of everything. Where does comparison sneak into your life? Okay, so this is about me. This is more questions just to get you thinking. I think this is part of the prep work. This is part of it. I've seen videos about the Cultivate What Matters Powersheets planner is basically the same thing, just instead of starting at the beginning of the year, you can start whenever you want. So I'm starting mine in Q2, which is the beginning of April, which is this upcoming week. So I really have to get my prep work done, so that I can jump in. Then they just have these questions that you're supposed to ask yourself, and then do more writing and brainstorming on these. How much prep work is there? Yearly goals, vision board, word of the year, why I chose that word, okay. action plan. Okay, so it has the action plan, why you chose that action plan, the resources that you need, and the goals that they align with. Then you have the mini goals that will help make progress toward that goal within 6 months. And you have 8 goals that you could write down. And then we get into the yearly overview. And then this is where the first month starts. So important to-dos, I'm excited for, on my mind, I'm hopeful that, and then you have the monthly calendar. Again, this is the undated goal planner. So I will have to go in and date this, which I'm not too worried about. That should be pretty easy because I have a sticker book for that. And then it tells you how to make a tending list. And then brainstorm your month, then the tending list. And then the next month, which I'm assuming is the same thing. Yeah, monthly calendar, tending list, month in review. And that's basically the entire planner, but I'm excited to see what this planner can do for me. So I don't know how much of this I'm going to show in terms of if I'm going to show the prep work or the goals that I've set for myself or the progress or anything like that, but I will do an actual review. This is just an unboxing. I will do an actual review of it once I've used it for at least a couple months and let you know how it's actually working, and I'll decide how much in depth I'm going to go then. But this isn't the only thing that we got. We also got the markers, which I'll just take them out. And let's just see what the tops are. Oh, I should do a pen test. That's what I should do to see how this paper holds up, but that's for another day. I'll do a pen and marker test. But these are what the markers look like. It says Cultivate What Matters, the brand name of the planner company. And then it just has a regular marker nib on it. And it's just a regular marker. So we will put this one back in. And get to the good stuff. The good stuff is the goal setting sticker book. And for this, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can see. So let's see. It has a little a little bit of writing about the sticker book, I guess. But this is so cute. These stickers feel different. They feel very, like, good quality paper. That's nice. These are so pretty. And then the alphabet, washi tape, flags for color coding, more color coding flags. These are color coding dots, 2 pages of those. The same thing, but in heart shapes. Icons, more icons, flags and headers. Same thing in gold. To mark progress, deco, and quotes. That's a cute little sticker book. I think it will go well with the planner that we have. So yeah, that was a quick little video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.